In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Trello card colors. This is a simple but really effective way to make your boards easier to scan, organize, and prioritize at a glance. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and how to apply colors to your Trello cards using Trello's built-in options. First, open your web browser and go to your Trello board, just like you normally would. Sign in if you're not already logged in, and then choose the board where you want to change card colors. Give the page a second to load so that all your lists and cards are fully visible. It helps to switch to a view where you can clearly see all your columns, so you can compare the colors as you apply them. Next, find the specific card whose color you want to change. Move your mouse over that card. In the top right corner of the card, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Carefully click on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu with several actions you can take on the card. In that menu, look for the section that relates to changing the color. Trello offers this as part of its premium features, so keep in mind that you may need a premium or paid plan to see all the available color options. When the color options appear, you'll usually see a selection of solid colors or variations that you can apply directly to the card background. Now, click on the color you'd like to use for that card. As soon as you click, Trello will update the card's appearance and you should see the background of the card change to that color. If it doesn't look quite right, simply open the same 3-dot menu again and choose a different color until you find one that fits your system. A useful tip is to assign consistent meanings to your colors. For example, you might use green for completed tasks, yellow for in-progress work, and red for urgent items. This way, when you look at your board, you can instantly understand the status of each card without reading every single title. You can repeat this process for any other cards on your board. Just open the board, click the 3 dots on the card, choose the color option, and select your preferred color. With a few quick changes, your Trello board will become much more visually organized and easier to manage.